We are looking at how to pronounce this word and the name of this film series. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is said as Fantasia, Fantasia. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as Fantasia, Fantasia. In American English versus Fantasia in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.